Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get started with Pinokio. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to go to program.pinokio.computer. And once you get there, then you should be met with a screen like this. If you want, you can also do a Google search for Pinokio. That might be an easier way of doing it. But once you're there, then you can see here that you can install depending on what your OS is. And in this case, I have already installed with Windows. So you can see here the installation. It will start with the zip file, and then from there you are going to need to unzip that. So what we do is just right click and then select extract all. Once that's finished extracting, then we have the file here, and we're going to go ahead and begin the setup. So we're going to go ahead and double click on that. And Pinokio is going to begin to install. We'll go ahead and just do a quick pause, and we'll be right back once the installation is through. Okay, so that has finished installing. We're going to go ahead and allow access and continue through the steps here. So you can see that this is going to be the screen that you'll meet when you start with Pinokio. We'll go ahead and hit save there, and we'll stand by while this continues to work. Okay, and once that's finished working, then you should be met with a screen similar to this. And from here, you can begin to install some Pinokio scripts. Let's go ahead and take a look at the discovery page. And you'll see here that you can go through the various scripts here, and if there is anything that you're interested in using, then you can install those and Pinokio will run them. So you've got some great options here, like your comfy UI and a variety of other things that you can install with Pinokio and get started with these. This even has Moshi and Live Portrait, etc., etc. So this is a great tool for anybody who is into AI. If you want to be able to use Pinokio, then that will give you an idea of how to get started. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.